Alright girls, that's good enough. Now, let's start making some really cool cookies, huh?
To our channel. Today we're gonna make and decorate cookies. Let's call Mr. L for some help. Mr. L!
Mr. L is here. So let's start with some cookie dough, and then we're gonna add some cinnamon and some ginger to add some flavor to it.
Wow! So we're gonna have half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And 1 teaspoon of ginger.
There you go. Thanks, girls. Let's mix the cookie dough, and I'm going to preheat the oven.
Oh my!
All right, girls, that's good enough. Now, let's start making some really cool cookies, huh?
Yay!
All right, let's start, girls. What shape are you choosing, Lele?
Unicorn.
So the goal is to make it 1/4 of an inch thick.
So cute.
Nice. Press it. Press it.
Now, how am I gonna?
Now let's take the cookie dough around it. Nice, Lele.
Ooh!
This is the best day ever, Daddy. I mean, Mr. Elf.
I'm gonna go traditional style and make it. What shape is this? Who can tell me what shape is this?
Circle. Circle.
That's right, girls. So now we're gonna put it in the oven for about 8 to 12 minutes, or until it's slightly golden around the edges. Cookies are ready.
Oh,
let's
my.
decorate.
Wow!
All right, so we have some icing, shredded coconut, some eye candy, some sprinkles, and more sprinkles. Let's have fun.
Yay! Okay.
Oh my!
That looks great, girls. High five. Who's ready for a bite?
Me. Yay!
Mmm!
Oh, it's so good. Can you taste the cinnamon? Can you taste the ginger?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Thank you, friends, for watching. I love you a lot. And don't forget to like and subscribe.